Okay, so tuone how to download and install Odoo kwenye Microsoft Windows. Odoo ni high level enterprise resource planning system iliyotengenezwa kwa Python programming language, na hizi ni Odoo modules. Okay, so now kuna steps za kufuata. Step number 1, download and install Postgre database. So nitakuja kwenye Google search engine, kisha nitaandika download and install Postgres, kisha nita click enter. Okay, so nitakuja ku click first link, then nitakuja kuchagua Postgres for Windows, then nitakuja ku click hii hapa download the installer. Okay, so click download the installer, na link ni hii hapa. Okay, so after clicking hapa nitakuja kuchagua first link, so download for Windows 32 or 64 bit. So nita click hii hapa download. Okay, so now good. Soon download it start. Okay, so now after downloading Postgres, another step is to download pgadmin. What is pgadmin? Pgadmin ni Postgres database management tool kwa ajili ya ku access database ya Postgres. So now copy it and njoo hapa kwenye hii, kama download haija start. Okay, kama haija start uta click hapa, click here, okay, to re-download. So nita click hapa ku download kama download imekataa. So nita click hapo na download ita start soon. Okay, so another step is to download pgadmin kama nilivyo copy. So kuja kuangalia hapa, hii hapa imeshaanza Postgres, hii hapa imeshaanza ku download. Okay, so mimi na stopisha kwa sababu nilisha download. So utakuja hapa kwenye Google search engine, utajust kuandika download and install pgadmin, then uta click enter. Okay, so now utaje ku click first link ambayo ni hii hapa pgadmin. Okay, so now utaje kuchagua pgadmin for Windows. So click hii hapa pgadmin for Windows. So nita click. After that utaje click hii hapa pgadmin of course for version 8.2. Okay, so nita click in current version. Okay, so now good. After that kuja hapa nita download hii hapa executable file. Okay, so ambayo ni hii hapa. Okay, so hii hapa executable file, so click it. Okay, good. So now download ita start. So nikija hapa katika panel hii hapa download, now you can see pgadmin ime start ku download. So mimi kusanisha download na just ku cancel sababu nisha download. Okay, so another step is to download and install Odoo. Okay, so now copy it and come to Google search engine and just write download and install Odoo, then click enter. Okay, so now good. So you're going to click here hapa first link. Okay, so now hapa utaje ku download Odoo for Windows. Ikishakuwa ime open, uta download Odoo for Windows. So now hapa kuna just a version, kuna community and enterprise version. Enterprise paid version, community is open source. So download for Windows. So you click here first link, download for Windows. Okay, so now you can see the download is starting now. Now kuja hapa katika hii panel, now you can see Odoo may start to download. Okay, so now currently nisha download Postgres, pgadmin and Odoo zimeshakuwa downloaded. So after downloading now, another step is installation. So ndio katika download directory. So navigate to your computer, for example local disk C and users and your name, computer name. Okay, then downloads. Okay, downloads. Okay, so kwenye downloads now you can see na setup hizi hapa nimesha download. Okay, na Postgres, pgadmin and Odoo current ambazo download hizi hapa, Postgres, pgadmin and Odoo. Okay, so now let's perform installation. Nataka perform installation ya Postgres database. So double click Postgres, setup, then accept by clicking yes, and installation dialog window it appear. Okay, as you see, Postgres installation dialog window it appear. Okay, so after then you just click next. Okay, so hii ni installation path inaonekana. Let's click next. Okay, so now by default unapo install Postgres inakuja na pgadmin. Okay, japo tume download lakini inakuja nayo, no problem. So unakuja hapa next. Okay, again next, then hii password iliyoweka hapa hakikisha unaikumbuka. So for example password is 123456 and 123456 my password. Then click next, then port number on left default next. Okay, left default next, and then next. Okay, and next. Okay, installation imestart. Unasubiri kipindi kifupi cha muda, installation itamalizika. Okay, then click finish. So Postgres ishakuwa installed. Okay, another step, install what? Pgadmin. Okay, tumesema by default Postgres inakuja na pgadmin. So njoo kwenye desktop start button, just write pgadmin. Okay, so you can see pgadmin 4 has been installed. Why? Because default Postgres imekuwa integrated na pgadmin, so no need to install pgadmin. Why? Because Postgres by default imekuwa integrated na pgadmin. Kwa install Postgres na pgadmin by default inakuwa installed. Okay, so now skip installation of pgadmin. Now tuna install Odoo. So double click setup, then kuja ku install Odoo. Then hapa unaweza click okay, select language, click okay, and welcome to Odoo version 17, current version now. Click next and click agree. Okay, so Postgres by default imeshakuwa installed, and so no need to install Postgres. So click next. Okay, so hapa unaweza kuselect destination folder. Okay, so browse destination folder. So just click browse and this PC. Okay, local disk C. On local disk C you can create a folder. Okay, local disk C, create a folder, and folder name is Odoo, for example system, Odoo system. Okay, after then click Odoo system folder and then click OK. Okay, after then click install. So installation now unaona ina start. Okay, so now uta click hapa next, then uta click finish. Okay, lakini make sure that umecheck hapa kwenye start Odoo. So make sure hapa umecheck, kisha bonyeza finish. So click finish. Okay, now you can see Odoo ina start kwenye localhost. Okay, and this is the port number, and hapa unataka kuselect a database. So endapo step hii haijafika, for example now haijafungua automatic web browser, haijafungua kwenye hii HTML form, basi utafungua manual. Na kitu chokifanya utakuja kwenye address bar, for example let's copy it, localhost. Utakuja hapa katika address bar hapa, then hapo utaandika IP address ya localhost 127.0.0.1, then colon After then to enter a port number. So port number for Odoo is 8069. Okay, so hapa tutaweka a port number 8069. Okay, after then uta click enter. So the same procedure itakuja kufungua this page. Kwa this page na hii page ni the same. So hapa ime open automatic, lakini kitu ya case ya open automatic itakuja ku open manual. So ku open manual now, you can just write localhost IP address, kisha itafungua kama inavyoonekana hapa. Kwa the same procedure. Okay, so to close moja bakiwa na moja. So kishafika kwenye step hii, another step is to to perform some configurations za database pamoja na user. So now mpaka kuja kufikia hatua hii tumesha install Postgres. pgadmin by default imekuwa installed baada ya kuinstall Postgres. Tumesha install Odoo. Now we perform database configurations in user. Okay, database configurations in user. So kuweza kuperform database configurations in user, utakuja kwenye my computer, yani this PC, utakuja kwenye local disk C. So open local disk C. After then navigate to program files. Okay, then open directory imeandikwa Postgres yapo. Okay, then your Postgres version, so current version of course, mi kwa sasa current version is 16. So kwa wakati huo inaweza kuwa version 17, 19 and so on. So this is the Postgres version. So double click, then open directory inaitwa bin. Okay, so hapa katika hii directory ya bin, njoo hapa yu kwenye directory address bar, highlight, kisha kilichokuwepo hapo delete. Okay, delete, then write cmd, yani command prompt. Okay, after then click enter. So command prompt itakuwa imefungukia kwenye path hiyo. Okay, unaona imefungukia kwenye path hii. Okay, so hapa tunachokifanya tunaingia katika Postgres database server kwa kutumia command line. Okay, tunaingia kwenye Postgres database kwa kutumia command line. So hapa tuna just kuandika command ambayo itatuwezesha sisi kuingia kwenye Postgres database kwa kutumia command. So of course psql.executable. Na kuna file inaitwa psql. So .exe unaifuta ni psql, then space, then hyphen. Okay, hyphen capital U, then space, then user is Postgres. U maana ni user. User is Postgres. So Postgres, that's the user. Then space, then hyphen host. Okay, then host is localhost. So just write local host. Okay, after then click enter. So click enter. So password ya Postgres ni ile password ambayo tulikuwa tunaifanya during installation ya Postgres, ambayo ilikuwa ni 1 2 3 4 5 6. Kipindi tuna install Postgres kuna database, kuna password ambayo tulisema utairemember, ndio hiyo. Okay, so now click enter. Okay, now nimesha login kwenye Postgres database. Naweza nikaandika query, nika create database, nika create table, nika create user, nika create trigger, events, procedures and so on. So now tunaenda kufanya create a user in database. So create a user, command is create user, then specify username. For example, username is my name. Okay, create user and username is, for example, my name. Then give user password with, of course, ni single space. Okay, single space with password, then password inakuwa ndani ya quotation. Password, for example, is 1 2 3 4 5 6, the same password. Okay, after doing so, hii ni programming, so just terminate, then click enter. Okay, so after then I'll create a database, then create database cells, for example, then terminate. After then tuna grant privileges to user Samir. So grant all, of course hii ni syntax, so okay, grant all privileges on database cells to username Samir. Grant all privileges on database name is cells, to user is Samir. Then terminate, okay, and then click OK. And of course syntax error, okay, I'm sorry. Grant all privileges, I think privileges on database, oh so sorry, on database, not databases, is on database, okay, then click enter. Okay, so another step is to grant high level of administration ya user anaitwa Samir. Huyu ni normal user, kuweza kumpa full privilege awe super user, okay. So now alter user, and username is Samir, okay, with super user, then terminate. Okay, so after doing so, kinachofuata ni kufanya some changes kwenye file configurations. So nita navigate kwenye this PC, kuja kwenye local disk C, nitakuja kwenye program files, then nita find Odoo, directory, okay. So Odoo directory, okay, I'm sorry. So this PC, local disk C, and hapa tuliweka kwenye Odoo system, okay. So Odoo system ni hii hapa, unakumbuka tulitengeneza directory hapa kwenye Odoo system. So hapa tuta navigate kwenye server, and then tuta navigate kwenye directory inaitwa Odoo, of course ni hapa, hii hapa. So odoo.conf, okay. So hiyo odoo.conf naifungua kwa kutumia notepad, okay. So hapa nitafungua just a notepad hii hapa, okay. After opening now nita click odoo.configuration file, nita drop, kwa hiyo itakuonekana namna hii. Okay, so tunataka tufanye some changes kwenye hili file. Tunaanza kwenye database host, tunaweka local host. Of course the first parameter is database host, unaacha default local host. Then database name inakuwa ni false. Then find the database name, okay, db name. So db name hii hapa, una left default, unaacha false. Kinachofuata ni database password. Our password is 123456. Kinachofuata ni database user is Samir. So delete openpg, database is Samir. After doing so, now save changes. So hapa unakuja ku save changes, okay. Now after saving changes, tunakuja katika ile web browser iliyofunguka mara kwanza, then refresh. Okay, so what is the master password? So master password, enter the same password. So ukija kuangalia hapa ni ile 123456. Database name ni hii hapa ambayo tumeandika hapa, database name, of course db name, okay. So db name now unaweza create any name. For example, db name is inventory. Then email, for example my email, then password, this is the same password. phone number, for example 255, my phone number, and country, for example my country, select T, okay, then I choose my country. Then hapo check, so hapo check, una uncheck demo data. After then create database, so click create a database. Okay, so now you can see database connection error to save at YoYo failed, authentication failed for user OpenPG. I think in this file database user is Samir. Of course save changes, sababu yule user mara kwanza tumesha remove. Okay, user is Samir, database user Samir. So save changes and close. Okay, what we need to do to restart a server. Na restart a server, so nitakuja hapa kwenye search desktop start button, kwenye sehemu ya search nitaandika services. Hapo then ile services nitaiclick. Okay, so services itafunguka kama hivi. Ikishakuwa imefunguka kama hivi, hapa nitafind Odoo. Nitaandika O, so andika O. Okay, so nikaandika O, itanidirect kwenye Odoo server. Then right click and of course restart. Okay, so Odoo ina restart. Then nitakuja ku restart a Postgres. Okay, so nita just ku write P, ita find P. Okay, P, kiandika P, then ita find a Postgres. Then this is a Postgres. Then ita just ku right click, then nita click restart. So now utaona ina restart. Okay, so services nimesha restart kwa sababu nilifanya settings kwenye file la hapa la odoo.config, nilifanyia settings. Okay, na ukilifungua ile file limefanywa changes. Username of course now ni Samir. Now niki open, you can see username is Samir and password, this one is a password. Okay, so changes zilizofanyika, basi una restart what servers. Okay, so another step is ku refresh sasa hii page. Now refresh. Okay, so after refreshing now una repeat ku enter the information tulizoandika, lakini mimi nilivyo refresh ile form ina reload. Okay, so form ina reload. So please wait a moment, kipindi ina just ku create a database, kwa sababu mimi nipo refresh manake form ina reload. Kwa information zile nilizoingiza hapa zilikuwa pending somewhere. Kwa nikirefresh manake nazipeleka. Lakini kwa kesi yako wewe unaweza just kurudia tena kuingiza hizo information after click create a database. So now soon tunaona Odoo ina open. So Odoo ina open soon. Okay, so now good. Now tupo kwenye position ya ku login. So email ni ile email ambayo tuliingiza pale muda ule kwenye ile form pale, ambayo ni my email address, and password is the same 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then I click login. Okay, so now good. Now current nimesha login kwenye Odoo server. Okay, shall login kwenye Odoo server now save password. So you can see he's in the what modules, sales, restaurant, invoicing, and so on, inventory, accounting, purchase, point of sale, and so on. So hapa tumesha login, of course tumeshafanya database in the user configurations, tume login. Now another step is module installation. Module installation, now to install modules. So we install, just una click activate or install. Activate or install modules. And after installing modules, now another step is now automate your business processes. So kwenye hii step number 6 na 7 tuwe kuicheck kwenye next episode or next video tutorial. how to install modules. So usikimbilie tu kuinstall modules hapa. Hapana. Usikimbilie kuinstall modules kwa sababu inatakuwa uweze kuelewa business process. Kwanza, identify business process, identify business logics. Then hizo business process ndo zije zifit kwenye module. Module ni information system as well. Kama Gengela sales ni information system, ambayo sales ni functional area. So tutakuja kuona kwenye another episode.